Hello! I hope everybody's ready for our lesson today, adding on an open number line. Oops! What is an open number line? This is how an open number line looks. Well, can we call this an open number line? It's just a line. Well, this is an open number line. That's why we call it an open number line. An open number line does not have any numbers on it. We are writing numbers on it when we need to add. We can use the open number line to add ones to a number. So now we have to add 35 and 2. We have tens and ones, and to this number we have to add only ones. So now we are going to use the open number line. So let's start drawing the open number line. Always remember, when we are adding, we should always start at the left. So we start at the left and we always hop forward when we are adding on an open number line. And always remember, we should begin our open number line with the larger number, or we can say the number that is written first. So our number is 35. Now we have our open number line, then we write 35 here. Now what do we add? We have to add 2. So now we are going to jump in ones because we are adding ones. And how many should we jump? We should jump 2 times. 1, 2. So we are adding 1 and 2. So let's count now. 35, 36, 37. So what is our answer? When we add 35 plus 2, we get the answer 37. So our answer is 37. Isn't it super easy using an open number line? Let's do another sum. This time we are going to add 48 and 7. So let's draw our open number line first. Now you know when we are adding, we always hop forward. And let's write our first number here, 48. We have to add 7. So how many hops do we make? We have to make 7 hops. So let's make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we stop here. Let's see what we get. So now let's count. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. So what is our answer? We have 55. 55 is our answer. Okay, isn't it easy? Well, it is. Now let's learn how to add tens on a number line. So now we're going to add 35 and a 10. Okay, so we're going to add a 10. Let's first draw our number line. So we have the open number line. You know that we hop forward when we are adding. And we start at the left. We write our number 35. Now, boys and girls, we have to add a 10. So you could make 10 hops of 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, the easier way is to make just 1 hop of 10 because we know how to count in tens. Remember on our last video we counted in tens? That's how we are going to do here. So 35, 45. What's our answer? 45. So 35 plus 10 is 45. Now, in this time, we are going to add 20 to 35. So let's draw our open number line. We write 35 here. And now we are going to hop in tens. So how many hops should we make? 2 hops to make 20. So we make 1 hop. We make another hop of 10. So we have 10, 20. Now, let's count. Let's hop. 35, 45, and 55. We have 55. So what's our answer? Our answer is 55. Now, this time we are going to add 50. So how many hops should we make? We should make 5 hops of tens. We're going to make hops in tens. So we're going to jump 5 times. Let's draw our open number line. We start at 35. We're going to make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 1, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and 5 tens. Now let's count. Let's hop. 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. So let's write 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, and 85 is our answer. We added ones, we added tens. Now we're going to add hundreds on an open number line. So now we are going to add 100 plus another 100. So let's draw our open number line. This time, are we hopping in ones or tens or in hundreds? What do you think? That's correct. We're not hopping in ones, we are not hopping in tens, we are hopping in hundreds this time. So we start our open number line at 100 and we are going to make a big jump of 100. So let's count. 100, 200. So what's our answer? We have 200 as our answer. Now, this time we're going to add 500. So how many hops should we make? We're going to hop in hundreds, and how many hops should we make? I don't hear you. That's correct, 5 hops. So let's draw our open number line. We start at 100 and we're going to make hops of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Now, let's count. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600. There we go. There we have the answer. 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600. So we have the answer, 600. Okay, let's do one more. Now, look at this sum. This time, I have 130 plus 500. What shall we do? We start our number line at 130. And we are going to hop 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundreds because we had to add 5 hundreds. Now let's start counting. So we have 130, 230, 330, 430, 530, 630. So let's write them. 230, 330, 430, 530, and 630. So what's our answer? 630. Now this time we are going to add 40 and 300 together. So just like we know, just like we learned, let's draw our open number line and we write 40 here. This time we have to hop 300. So let's hop 300s. 100, 200, and 300. Now we have to count. 40, 140, 240, and 340. So we have the answer 140, 240, and 340. So our answer is 340. Okay, so we have learned a lot about adding unopened number lines today. Bye! See you again on my next video.